In this video, I am going to show you how you can use the speech-to-text input on your Samsung Galaxy A37. So as you can see, when I try to text somebody, there is no option to use the voice input. To activate this, I am going to go into the settings application, scroll down and select General Management, then click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then here I'm going to scroll down and select voice input. From this page, you can select either Samsung voice input or Google voice typing. I prefer Google voice typing. Then simply leave the application. Now, when I go back to text, you will see that there is an option to input using my voice as such, and that solves the problem. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.